and welcome to my course, The Blog Creator, How to Set Up a Blog as a Home Business. My name is Nuria Corby, and I hope that together we can learn all about how to set up a blog so that you can run it as a business from home and earn money. So, what are we going to learn in this course? Well, firstly, I should maybe say that this course is not for people who have already set up a blog. It's not for people who already know how to do that and already have a blog. This is really for people who are struggling with the technical side of it, or people who have never set up a blog in their lives and who are finding it hard to know where to start. In this course, you will learn all about how to find your niche, so what to blog about, how to find a domain name, how to purchase a domain name, how to host your blog yourself with a hosting company, whether to use WordPress or any other platform, and you will learn all about that. And you will learn about colors, how to change colors in your blog, how to pick a theme for your blog, how to create a menu. You will learn how to set up categories. You will learn about plugins, on which plugins to use. So there's quite a lot of technical bits to this course, but I will hold your hand throughout it. We'll do it step by step. So don't worry. And I'm here to answer any questions that you have. And I'm here to hold your hand if I have to, and we will walk you through the process step by step. So I hope you like it. I hope you enjoy this course, and I'm so happy that you're here with me to go through this together. And I wish you every success with it. And don't forget to ask any questions, because I'm here to answer anything that you want to know and that you need to know, and I'll be very happy to help. See you soon.